So here is the adorable Eleanor, and we're going to show you how to do a cute pigtail style. So start off by parting the hair down the centre, and trying to make sure that it's straight. Mine aren't always straight, so don't worry too much. And then you're going to come to the side bits, and you're going to just create a line going straight up from the ear to the centre. Just separate that off with a hair tie for now, making sure it's tight but not too tight. You're going to take it out in a minute. Do the same with the bottom section, bottom right section, and then again you're going to separate that hair up. And again, I'm just going to tie a little elastic there and then come back to the top. Now you want to make sure that this left one now is nice and smooth and tight. So I made sure that it was no bumps in it, put a little elastic in, and then put a pink hair tie in to finish it off. So that's that one done. You'll do the same on the right hand side. So smooth out, elastic, and then a pink hair tie. So those ones are complete now. Then you want to break the top left ponytail into three and braid that one section all the way down, put in a little hair elastic in, come to the next section, and again, just braid it down. You could do a twist braid here if you prefer. I'm just doing a normal 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom, and again, you're just going to secure that with an elastic. Coming to the last piece, and you guessed it, you are going to be braiding again. So really simple techniques, but it just looks so cute with the coloured little elastics in there. So you'll come to the right ponytail now, and I'm using the pink hair ties again, and I'm just sort of 1 inch down, popping a pink hair tie in, and just doing that sort of 3/4 down the head. I did it. So this is going to come diagonal. It's going to attach to the left ponytail, so just long enough so you can get that right hand section to stretch across to the left hand side. So once you've done that, you're going to secure that across, and then you're going to get a little topsy tail and just pull these little braids through. So I went kind of like fairly high with the first one, and then middle with the next one, and then the last one was a bit lower, and then you're going to join those together in a minute. But first of all, you are going to secure that left hand side. You could do like a little scrunchie here if you wanted to. I just kind of kept it with the pink hair tie. Secure it on the right side. You can't see on camera, but I did take out these little elastics poking at the bottom here. So just take those out. But here's the finished look look how cute she is. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you again soon for another video.